baby, get up, 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 up. No, don't you stay down, 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 down. Now lift yourself up, 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 up. Baby, baby, get up, baby, get up.
And welcome back to the Crochet Crowd, as well as my friends at yarnspirations.com. This is the annual stitch along, and our friend Jeannie has designed Inspired by Color. It's going to be presented in two different ways. We're going to have a rectangle because this is the year of the rectangle, and also she has made a square version. Let's talk about her pattern in more detail. The pattern will be presented so that you can be able to download it as we go. This is a stitch along starting on Boxing Day, December 26th, and it's going to last for a few weeks. Now, I'm going to run a bonus tutorial before we get started on this thing to get yourself started on rounds 1 through 3. So those rounds can either get you started on a rectangle or a square, and maybe you can do both. The only difference is that the rectangle, the short side, is actually the same as the square. And the square is just a different color sequence, and you'll be able to download the pattern in order to get that. If you go to the more information link of this video, you're going to be able to find what yarns were used. We chose Red Heart Super Saver, and you're going to notice is that this rectangle version looks like Christmas wrapping paper. That was the inspiration. That's what inspired this whole thing to be inspired by color. And then Jeannie prefers more neutrals and blues, and so the square version is back in her wheelhouse of doing that. So do you want to play along with us? You can get started on this. So let's get started. There's no sign up required, and we're going to be inspired by color with our friend Jeannie, and I'll see you on the next video.